Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
If you replaced your window motor, or you disconnected the battery, or your battery died, and your window will not work in automatic mode, you're going to have to do a relearn. What we need to do is need to turn the key on. We're going to hold the window switch down. Wait for 3 seconds. Then we're going to pull the window switch up while holding it the whole time. And hold for 3 seconds. And then let go. And then it should work in automatic. And it does. And the same is for the passenger side.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.